Hello friends, welcome to E2C, which is Education to Career. So in this video, I'll be covering the most important current affair questions, part 16 for CMET examination. So let's get started with the video. Question number 1. Who was conferred with the Champion of Change Award 2019? So the correct answer is D, which is Hemant Soren. Hemant Soren was conferred with the Champion of Change Award 2019. Question number 2. India has been ranked at which place in Carbon Disclosure Project 2019 report? So the correct answer is B, which is fifth. The report shows India is now the fifth country and the fast developing economy with maximum number of companies committing to SBT. The US and Japan top the list with 135 and 83 companies, whereas the UK ranked third with 78 companies and France took the fourth spot with 51 companies. Question number 3. Which state has become the most water efficient state in India in the review of state and central government water department by the Ministry of Jal Shakti? So the correct answer is C, which is Gujarat. Gujarat has become the most water efficient state in India in the review of state and central government water department by the Ministry of Jal Shakti. Question number 4. Who has received a Subhash Chandra Bose Aapda Prabandhan Puraskar 2020 under the individual category? So the correct answer is option B, which is Kumar Munan Singh for the year 2020. Disaster Mitigation and Management Center Uttarakhand and Sri Kumar Munan Singh have been selected for the Subhash Chandra Bose Aapda Pradhan Puraskar for their commendable work in disaster management. Question number 5. The country's first e-waste clinic has been opened in which city? So the correct answer is C, which is Bhopal. Country's first e-waste clinic is being opened in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. It would enable segregation, processing and disposal of waste from both household and commercial units. The e-waste clinic will be inaugurated by Union Environment Secretary. Question number 6. Which player will be inducted into World Golf Hall of Fame in 2021? So the correct answer is option A, which is Tiger Woods. American golfer Tiger Woods will be inducted into a World Golf Hall of Fame as a part of the class of 2021. The Hall of Fame located in Afghanistan, Florida, released a statement saying Wood, winner of 15 major titles, will be inducted in a male competitor category. Question number 7. What is the rank of India in the Corruption Perception Index 2019? So the correct answer is A, which is 80. Transparency International has launched this index on 23rd January 2020 based on data collected in 2019. India slipped 2 positions to 80th in the index while it was at 78th in the previous year ranking. India's total score was 40 and managed to secure 18th rank. Transparency International released the report on this index during the annual meeting of World Economic Forum in Davos. Question number 8. Which airport has started Women with Wheels cab service for female safety? So the correct answer is option B, which is Indira Gandhi International Airport. At the Indira Gandhi International Airport, here is an exclusive Women with Wheel taxi service that is unique as it is operated by human drivers for women. This service, an initiative by Shakha Cabs, was launched from the international airport from January 10 in the bid to make women feel safer. Question number 9. SoftBank has appointed whom as its India head? So the correct answer option C, which is Manoj Kohli. SoftBank has appointed Manoj Kohli as its India head. Kohli, who came with more than 40 years of experience, will be in charge of government relation and public policy efforts. This comes after a nearly 5-year stint as the chairman of SoftBank's renewable energy business, SB Energy. Question number 10. Which has become the first telecom operator in India to facilitate UPI payment feature through its platforms? So the correct answer is option A, which is Reliance Jio. Reliance Jio now allows UPI payments through its MyJio app. With this, Reliance Jio becomes the first Indian telecom operator to facilitate UPI payment through its platform. It has launched the feature on MyJio app rather than its wallet app Jio Money. Question number 11. When was National Voters Day 2020 observed? So the correct answer is option C, which is 25th January. National Voter Day 2020 is observed on 25th January. The theme of National Voter Day 2020 is Electoral Literacy for Stronger Democracy. The theme set the tone for year-long activities which focus on voter education and renewal of citizens' faith in the electoral process. Question number 12. Which state's tourism project has received a special mention as emerging global destination by United Nations World Tourism Organization? So the correct answer is D, which is Kerala. Kerala Tourism Barrier Free Tourism Project has won global recognition with the United Nations World Tourism Organization, making a special mention of the South Indian state as an emerging global destination in the Accessible Destination Award 2019. Question number 13. Which ministry has recently signed an MOU with Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation? So the correct answer is option C, which is Ministry of Rural Development. The Ministry of Rural Development signed a memorandum of understanding with Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation under the Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Rural Livelihood Mission for furthering their mutual objectives and strengthening grassroots institutes of the rural poor. Question number 14. Who has assumed the chairmanship of the Forum of Election Management Bodies of South Asia for the year 2020? So the correct answer is D, which is Sunil Arora, Chief Election Commissioner of India. Shri Sunil Arora assumed chairmanship of the Forum of Election Management Bodies of South Asia for the year 2020. Question number 15. Which state has announced a ban on three-wheelers that are older than 15 years and run on fossil fuel? So the correct answer option D, which is Punjab. A Punjab government announced a ban on three-wheelers that are older than 15 years and run on fossil fuel. They will be replaced with electric or compressed natural gas engines. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.